So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a 50-gallon Bradford White natural gas water heater. And sorry about the lighting. No lights on in the garage, but you can see there's your serial number, model number. You can go to bradfordwhite.com and register this, get your warranty going on it. Up at the top, we give you 2 shutoff valves, existing brass stub outs. Those are beautiful. Copper or brass. A lot of plumbers are putting in just iron pipe from the PEX above, and that corrodes. So brass, that'll flow great forever. And we gave you some quarter turn shutoff valves. These guys quarter turn on, quarter turn off, so that's off, on. And then brass nipples, stainless steel connectors. These are the largest in the industry. These are very expensive supply lines, about 10 bucks each, as opposed to $5 each. And then of course valves, 15, 20 bucks for each valve. And then, so what we've given you is solid brass and solid stainless steel construction, which flows very well down to an extension coupling right here for the tank. So this is great. This is a 0.725 inside diameter. It's almost a full 3/4 inch inside diameter on this. I got a vent pipe right here, brand new, 90, and then of course a little piece of pipe there, brand new. We don't replace anything in the attic because that's dual wall B vent going up to the roof, and so we said we like to replace as much plumbing as possible outside of the wall. And we're talking about things that break down, which is supply lines, valves, things like that. So we put new ones in. Piece of brass stubbed out here for the relief line. This is not under pressure. It's a temperature and pressure relief. So this little guy right here, if too much temperature or pressure builds up, this guy will pop off and relieve it over through that corrugated stainless steel supply line out into the copper on the side yard, so it'll blow out there and relieve the temperature and or pressure. At the top we have a adjustable strap as per code. Bottom adjustable strap as per code, and then over here we give you a brand new shutoff valve. We like to do that because simple service costs $200, for a $10 valve, and so just replace it. So you're good. This thing will last the duration of the water heater, probably another 30 years. That you're in the home, and then of course another brand new connector coming over to a couple little nipples. Now, when they plumbed the house, it must have been really convenient to run the gas right here, but the gas is on the wrong side. Gas always goes on the left. Every plumber in town knows that, but I think we may have done it at some point in the past where, the gas comes in over on this wall, and it was just easy to run over and drop down, but it's supposed to be on the left. So you can see a little bit of configuring right here, a little nipple right there, nipple right here, a couple 90s, and then of course the adapter. But the main part is the supply line. So supply line shutoff valves, you want to make sure those are new. Every time you install something, just put new stuff in. Iron pipe, this stuff will last forever. This will outlive you, so not a problem with that. But supply lines and shutoff valves, yes. So the burner is lit. It's heated to, it's going to heat to approximately 120 degrees. You can see right here, we have it set to hot. We videotape this because we don't want to be liable for anything else. You can see scalding risk increases with hotter water. So, if you have a full flow valve somewhere, like a soaking tub, and you turn this thing up, this is approximately 130, and then B140, C150, very hot 160 at B. 140, 30-degree burns, 3 seconds. An infant, 1 second. They're going to the hospital. So be very cautious of that. This water heater will perform and give you the 120-degree water. If you're having trouble with one fixture, like a tub shower combo or a shower faucet, if the sinks are working great, and that we're talking about separate handle hot, separate handle cold. Turn the hot on. If the hot works there, and then right across there at the shower, something's going on. It's probably a cartridge replacement. But I see it time and time again. We show up and they've turned it up to A, B, C, very hot. This is 160 degrees. Don't need to do that. So be very cautious of that. If it's just adults in the home, we're pretty mindful. But if you have kids in the home, like we have, our grandson lives with us. He's 9, so we keep ours at 120. And so everything else looks good outside of that. This installation is done.